Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, children. Welcome you all back to the EVS class. Chapter 1, My Body. The previous class we learnt about the parts of the body, their names, their functions, right? And we also learned that we have many parts in our body which help us to do our daily activities. Yes, and we also saw some examples of these. And the organs of our body can be divided into two groups. Do you remember what are they? Yes, they are internal and external organs. We have studied about the five sense organs and their functions. In today's class, we are going to revise on these topics. Some of the organs in our body cannot be seen because they are placed inside our body. So we call these organs as internal organs. Yes. One of the important internal organ is brain. Brain controls all the activities in our body. It acts like a remote control of our body. It controls all our body activities. So we can call them as remote control of our body. It helps us to remember, read and write. Whatever you read and write, everything goes and stores in the brain as a computer does. And this is our lungs. It is present inside our chest and this helps us to breathe. Apart from these, we also have bones in our body. Bones give us shape and support to our body. Without bones, we would be like a jelly. Bones also protect our internal organs. Framework of bones are called skeleton. Have you all seen the picture of skeleton? Yes. Do you know how many bones do we have? We have 206 bones in our body. When you were a baby, you had about 300 bones. As you grow, the bones join together and it becomes 206 bones. Let's talk about some special parts of our body. Why are they so special? Let us understand. After the school, when you reach home from outside only, you can tell that your mother has made your favorite cake. How can you tell that? Yes, it is by smelling. You use your nose to smell the food. In this picture, Asha could smell the fragrance of the flower. Now tell me, children, which part of your body lets you to watch the favorite cartoon show on the television? Which part lets you cry when you are sad? Yes, you are correct. It's the eyes. How many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. In this picture, the boy saw a mango tree and he wanted to eat the mangoes. Your eyes are at work from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep. Long hours of work for your eyes, isn't it? How do you listen to your favorite song? Which sense organ helps you to hear the sounds? Yes, it is by using your ears. Very good. In this picture, you can see the child is enjoying the sweet voice of the birds. How do you know that the mangoes are sweet and the grapes are sour? Who is helping you to find out the taste? Correct, it is our tongue. We taste with our tongue. In this picture, you can see the kids are enjoying the taste of ice cream. Do you all like ice creams? How can you feel the feathers are soft and the ice cubes are cold? Yes, it is by touching it. The skin helps us to feel. In this picture, you can see the girl like the feeling of cool evening breeze softly touching her cheeks. Do you like the cool breeze? Yes. We all enjoy the cool breeze, isn't it? Yes, children. Now we learned the ears, nose, tongue, eyes, and skin help us to sense the world around us. Hence, these are called sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: eyes for seeing, nose for smelling, ears for hearing, and tongue for tasting the food, and skin to feel. Yes. Without these sense organs, our life would be very lonely, dark, and quiet place. Dear children, we should be grateful that using our sense organ, we are able to enjoy the beautiful world around us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Senses, let's explore our senses. We all have 5 senses. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey! 1. I can see with my eyes. I see you, you see me. I look all around. See, see, see. 2. I can hear with my ears. Stomping feet, clapping hands. Sounds are all around. Here, here, here. 3. I touch and feel with my skin. I feel hot, I feel cold. Soft, ruffle, smooth. Touch, touch, touch. 4. I can taste with my mouth. I taste the foods that I eat. Salty, sour, sweet. Taste, taste, taste. 5. I can smell with my nose. I can smell stinky cheese. But smelling pepper makes me sneeze. Achoo! Smell, smell, smell. Senses, let's explore our senses. We all have 5 senses. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey! Sight, sight, I can see with my eyes. Hear, hear, I can hear with my ears. Touch, touch, I touch and feel with my skin. Taste, taste, I can taste with my mouth. Smell, smell, I can smell with my nose. Senses, let's explore our senses. We all have 5 senses. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey! Senses, let's explore our senses. We all have 5 senses. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey! See, hear, touch, taste, smell.
Yes, children, by now I'm sure that you all have understood the importance of our body parts and their functions. If you have any doubt, kindly watch the videos again and again.